Hey peeps, it's your girl Blessed D Gaza Diva and welcome back to the Blessed D Gaza Diva channel. And today we're going to talk about some more Lisa Mercedes, some more Stylo P, G, C, whatever you want to call him these days, and what Lisa Mercedes had to clarify for the public, for all the people who were saying that she's trying to bring down Stylo G. So we're going to talk about it, we're going to listen to what she has to say, and we're going to get into it and have a discussion as per usual. Let's kick it.
You're not like anyone else. You find the way you are. Did you do this all yourself? A smile ignites the room. Sending us up to the time, you know it's Cartel. Representing for Blessed D, Gaza Diva.
So pretty much Lisa Mercedes, for those of you who don't know the backdrop, Lisa Mercedes and Stylo G have a child together. And they have been together, or they were together, for 11 years. Lisa Mercedes decided to move on with her life, and Stylo G doesn't seem to be taking it well. At least that's what Lisa Mercedes has said. Now, recently, she put out several voice notes, and one of the main ones circulating is where she said that him eat her pum pum and him eat her you know what, nalgas in a Spanish, figure it out. That being said, him a plan for put out songs, say him never do it, but that's his only response I've seen to date, and calling himself some fake king of dancehall, which him no earn no title, him no own a title, but me know why I do that, because the person who bother him is the king of dancehall. So I think that if him put out and say, oh, he's the king of UK and he's the king of this and he's the king of that, people will see him. I shouldn't even be giving him any notoriety, but may I try to tell him, it looks like what Lisa Mercedes has said is factual and truthful, so I can't even refute that. So I come out with one like a wax song where I say never eat no pum pum, but hear what? Anybody can go on record and say so. And personally, I believe Lisa Mercedes. That's my personal opinion. But anyway, let's get into the core of our discussion, which is what Lisa Mercedes has to say. So Lisa Mercedes wrote, a lot of people getting things twisted, saying I'm bashing Stylo. You guys don't know what I'm going through behind the scenes with this man. Kiss me teeth. The man gave me 4,000 1 year ago to sort out something that benefit his daughter. I put 7,000 towards it, so I spent 11,000 in total. Everything was fine. Now all of a sudden, since me link with Addy, man start texting and ringing my phone telling me he want back his money and start calling me all sort of names, classing me, telling me how my pum pum stink. So how you there with me for 11 years and all of a sudden me stink? Whenever I ask him for money for his child, he tries style me, telling me to go ask Cartel. What the F does Cartel have to do with your child? That's a waste, man. Hatred talk. Me making music with Cartel have nothing to do with your responsibilities. Kiss my effing teeth. The half has never been told. If I wanted to really F up your Stylo, I would have put out the outrageous voice note and text that I got in my phone that you sent to me. All I want is for this man to stop verbally abusing me and leave me. Let me get on with my life and look after my child. Now, that's what Lisa Mercedes wrote under a comment. Now, all I will say is this. If a woman no want you, left the woman, make she move on with her life. If the woman said that you are not whom she wants to spend the rest of her life with, make she move on with her life. She makes a valid point. What does Vybz Kartel has to do with your responsibility? As far as me concerned, when me read this, me I feel dead with laugh, because me I say, if you over this woman, you and her live 3 years now, and you so over her, why you gonna tell her so she must go ask Vybz Kartel for money? You don't need to tell her to ask Vybz Kartel for no money for your child. Your child is your responsibility. And you would have seen past videos where Stylo out there hyping up and showing off and going on about him take care of him responsibilities and him take care of him picnic and him not know what is and him not know what that. Some people say them I get a Spice and Nicholas vibes from it, where the two of them break up, left another together, and it's like the Nika can't move on with him life. Now, if she wants to do music with Vybz Kartel, What that have to do with Styler G and Styler G's daughter? Styler G needs to man up and take care of responsibility. Now, based on what this message says, Lisa Mercedes is basically saying that since she started talk to Cartel, at them time that the problem start. 3 years now. I'm telling you already, people, if you listen to the voice note, trust me, you don't want to hear the voice note. And I want nice voice note. So anybody want to talk about you try ruin Styler G career, which me not care when nobody want to say a Vybz Kartel make Styler G have a career. I never knew Styler G before Vybz Kartel touchdown. Me never know it. I want you to tell me now down below in the comment section if you know Styler G. I don't care if Styler G sing pan card, pan in a tree, wherever. I never in the history of my musical ears been glued to YouTube, TV, radio, hear nothing about Styler G. Vybz Kartel make me know about Styler G. And when Vybz Kartel did that remix now, I said, watch ya. So how am I going with? And then, of course, the Nicki Minaj part in there make it kind of sell off some more. And that's why I even pay attention to it. And want to tell me the truth down below in the comment section. Which verse sing the most on the song there? Vybz Kartel verse. And which verse sing the second most? Nicki Minaj verse. Me can't tell you, say me remember the Styler G verse. It's sad, but it's the truth. I mean, I want nobody to come talk about oh, I'm wicked and this and that. Me just not remember it because it was not that impactful. And I guess that's why it's one. I would say it's one of the biggest, if not the biggest song, remix song in history. And then him go and him do one remix with Spice the other day. You can say, yeah, that was a decent song because you know the Queen is on it. What outside of that, me never know about no Styler G. So everybody has said no, at the link up, we're going to link up with Vybz Kartel. Forget that musical deal, make Vybz Kartel meet Lisa Mercedes. And that's why Lisa Mercedes dump him, because of Vybz Kartel. No, all me can say, Vybz Kartel is very charismatic. Vybz Kartel is human just like anybody else. And Vybz Kartel can probably take with anybody, girl. Anyway, them there. And this, if it never proved to you, this much more than prove it to you. Say Vybz Kartel are the man. And him just hold the girl and pop up, bust off her slippers, slim or thick. And Styler G, differently though. Him need for man up. Him need for leave the woman alone. I want you to tell me down below in the comment section, all of my male subscribers. If a cat is say she don't want you. If a cat is say she don't want, do not know with you. If you have a child with her, you gotta take it out for the child. You are gonna tell her, say, she must take her responsibility for your child to any other man. What she talk to, you're not going to still stand up to your responsibility. Isn't it your child? You are going to stand up to your responsibility. And to her point where she says that is $4,000. Him give her for him own a kid. If you give a woman $4,000 for your kid, isn't your kid worth more than that? Isn't your kid important? Isn't your kid valued for more than $4,000? Why would you be calling the mother and stressing her out that you want back your money? To me, Styler G sound like him genuinely don't over Lisa Mercedes. That's how we me get from the whole situation. Styler G don't over her and him really don't know how to deal with it. And the fact that he did a collaboration with Vybz Kartel, and him can't too chat off him mouth in a car. Him know say Vybz Kartel are the man. And deep down in him heart, him know say Vybz Kartel boss him. And that's why I know say kitty feeling him a carry. Because at the end of the day, if Lisa Mercedes wasn't involved in the situation, him would have still do what him want to do. Or Sebo Vybz Kartel is great and Vybz Kartel is king and posting this and posting that. But him girl get taken now, so him just a carry feelings. What you need to do, Styler G, if you're listening to this or anybody that knows Styler G need to tell him, take care of him responsibility. His daughter has nothing to do with Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel has nothing to do with your daughter. I am pretty sure you don't hear Shorty walking up and down complaining how Vybz Kartel not take care of him responsibility. You never hear Adiana mother say so. You never hear the little youth of foreigner say so, or the little girl of Canada I say Vybz Kartel not take care of him responsibility. So you now need to man up and stop watch a man and take care of your youth. Now tell me your thoughts down below in the comment section, and as per usual, let's have a discussion. Do you think Styler G is out of order to be asking her to give him back money that she he would have spent on his daughter? And do you think that Styler G is still hung up on Lisa Mercedes? And do you think that Styler G is still hung up on Lisa Mercedes and he's just trying to give trouble? Listen, leave me your thoughts below down in the comment section. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button and don't forget to smash the like button on this video and send this out. I'm out.